Hi guys, I have done my assignment on Selenium. I have done on two way, one using element locator and the on Xpath and CSS selector. On the element locator, how I did was I created the objects with driver, which you guys knows, and I have used several techniques over here. Uh, what I use on using element locator, I use ID, name, link text, ID, again name, and at the end I use Xpath to submit button. Right here, what I did was ID and logins, and by this way, and at the end what I did was public void tear down. This way, I know I have created another one tear dot sleep. That way, it will allow some time to look on the screens. And also on top right here I did three things: driver dot manage window, so that it will maximize the window, and second one, I try to delete all the cookies that allow if that is ever in my browser. And also I use the implicity wait time 30 seconds and time limit which is in second. So let me go ahead and run this one first. Unit, just popping up. Just retrieving the data. This should maximize this now. Sign in, and so I'll go ahead and give you the data information now. Hopefully, I did everything all right. This account already exists, but another one. On the using two different things, CSS selector and CSS Xpath. On CSS selector, I use on the top, I use the same things like deleting cookies, maximizing windows, and same thing I did. And also right here, what I did was I use in order to retrieve the link. What I did was I use the obsolete path. That way, this is a little bit, we have to dig on it. It took me a little while to find this one, but Xpath right here, obsolete Xpath, and I use CSS selector right here and relative Xpath to find all these things. And right down below, as before, I did tear downs and thread.sleep. That way allows certain times, and driver.close will close my windows. So let me go ahead and run this one. It's taking a while. Okay, finally. Again, this will maximize the window. Click sign in. It says already account already exists. It is not a problem, but I have to go ahead and change the name here, and that way it will, it will go away that data account already exists. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free. Thank you.